do we have something higher than that? Let me see. Okay, I think 3.13 is the highest. Okay, so let's go for that. So it will download in a moment. The good thing about downloading from the Microsoft Store is that it's going to install it in the proper directory. Some of the time when we have downloaded from the raw file from Python site, sometimes it's so difficult for us to install properly, and thereby giving us issues when we want to install some other modules to it. So it's 37. In a moment later it will soon be installed. After that we'll try to see on how we install chat our Jupyter notebook using the command prompt. Alright, that's been installed. So come to our command prompt, cmd alright, so let's see if Python is there already. So we just type Python -- let's see the version. Alright, so it's there now. So we have Python 3.13. Okay, so we'll try and create a folder. Try and create a folder within our user. So taking admin. So I'll create a folder here, which is more or less having a direct route to document, download, desktop, blah blah blah. So this new folder, this is where I'm going to create my visual environment for Python. So I name it application. So after doing that, go back to my command prompt and navigate to applications. So cd, which is change directory. So application, hope that is correct. Look the same thing like what I have here. Alright, app. Okay, alright, so press enter. Alright, so I've not gotten a navigation to application now. So on application there, I'm gonna create my visual environment. So giving it a Python command, Python -model visual environment, which is a env The environment will be another folder on it, so you can just see that folder, name it apps. So press enter. So let's see how it goes. So it's trying to create a visual environment now. Alright, so I think we have succeeded because the original address have come out. So let's go and check and see. On application, okay, apps, so these are visual environments. Now visual environment, we have script. Alright, so okay, so our visual environment is ready. So now go to navigate to this environment. I think we're already in on application, so go to navigate to apps, to script, and we activate. Sometimes I think I decide to create another environment again inside apps. So let me just navigate and create another environment. Then I will activate, and after activating, I download my Jupyter notebook. Okay, so CD, copy and paste. Alright, so press enter. Alright, we are there. So I would like to create another environment. So this time apps. Alright, so it has returned back to its root. So I think it has been created. Let's see. Let's check and see. Okay, yeah, here you are, apps. So inside up, we have another script again. So we're trying to activate this environment. So we're gonna navigate in there and activate. Copy. CD. Alright. Okay. So inside scripts, I think I have some modules there. So any of the modules I'm going to call the activate module now. Alright, so activate. Alright, so our apps, we have activated our environment. So after with this we can now download our Jupyter Lab. So I'm gonna call a model now. Which model are we calling? We're calling in PEEP model. Alright, so let's go. Python PEEPs install Jupyter Lab. Press enter. Oh my, we're not, our internet is not connected. Sorry for that. Let me connect my internet. Alright, internet have been connected now. Alright, okay, so it's downloading. Unnecessary plugins, metadata. Can like and subscribe for more educative videos. Can share our videos. Alright. Can click the notification button so that we notify whenever we create a new video. So it's downloading Jupyter Lab. So 0.1, so 0.3, so 0.4. Alright, let's see this time at least. I'm trying to use my phone data, so if no text message comes in, that will cut it off. I think we'll succeed in installing this time. Downloading necessary module .py. Subscribe for more videos, like, share the button, share to your colleagues. Let's build a community. Alright, I think we're almost there. It's taking us about 20 minutes to install, but if you have a very nice internet, it doesn't take up to 15 minutes. So in installing, we just follow the simple step. First of all, you download your Python from Microsoft Store, and then after downloading, you test and see if the command prompt to see if it was actually downloaded. Then after that, you create your folder, maybe at the root of your user. No. Then you navigate to that folder. On navigating to that folder, then you try and create a visual environment. So on creating a visual environment, you can decide to create another visual environment, which you might just download your Jupyter Lab on. Yeah. Let's install the connected package. So I think it's true now. Our environment is still activated, so I'm going to check in there and see. Okay, so here we are. Alright, so we have Jupyter here, we have Jupyter Lab here, we have other modules here. Okay, So it's good for everything is created here. So alright, so let's call forth Jupyter Lab on our command prompt. Okay, so Jupyter space lab. Alright, so Jupyter extension was successfully linked. Okay, so our IP address have been created, and it has been launched. So but my browser is not allowing it to launch properly, so I can just as well copy this address, copy this address, put in a browser. So Ctrl C, paste it here, press enter. Alright, so Jupyter Lab have been launched as an address localhost 8888. Alright, so that is how to install Jupyter Lab. Another way for you not to always come into your command prompt to always activate it from the command prompt. You can as well create a shortcut. So you just come in here, say Jupyter Lab, you rename it and just pick, or you can just say create shortcut. So this is shortcut, you copy it out, you paste here on the desktop. Alright, so alright, trying to copy the entire stuff. I would like to go through to see in case I have some issues. We know what was downloaded and what was not downloaded. Let's save us. Installation. So just doing that, you have closed you have deactivated the running of the Jupyter Lab. So this is our shortcut. You can just double click and it's going to launch here. right. So here we are. Alright, thank you for watching.